Hi, Mark. So I have a question about the Folson Group's project management services. Is that for self-managed buildings only?
Tina, hi, thanks for asking. No, it's for any building, really. For self-managed buildings, obviously, it's extremely important because the buildings don't have the expertise or the time in a self-managed environment. But it's also important for buildings who do have a property manager. The property manager is extremely busy running the day-to-day operations, the administration for the building, often working with a half a dozen or even more buildings at a time. So it's really not fair to expect them to be able to devote dozens of hours, extra hours to a project and be able to do that effectively, cost effectively, in a time sense effectiveness, and also safety as well.